First things first, you've got to have some pork chops. Cook them up as you normally would, either by frying in a skillet or baking in the oven. When they're cooked to perfection, take them out and set them aside. But don't you dare clean that pan. Those drippings left behind are going to be the star of our gravy show. Now it's time to make a roux. Heat the pork drippings left in the skillet over medium heat. Then sprinkle 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour over them. Whisk it all together, letting the flour brown slightly. This is what gives your gravy that rich color and taste. Next, gradually pour in a cup of milk while continuing to whisk away. This helps the flour mixture blend smoothly with the milk, ensuring there are no lumps. Crank up the heat a bit to bring the mixture to a simmer, not a full boil, stirring constantly as the gravy starts to thicken. If it gets too thick, just add a little more milk until it's just right. Now it's time to season the gravy. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. For a little extra flavor, consider a pinch of garlic powder or onion powder. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.